Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube TV playback error. So if you are watching any video and you are facing any error to join live, or if the playback is not working, or it's keep on loading but not playing, what you should do to fix the error. So the first thing you should do is to check your internet connection, and you should check your internet speed if it is connected to your home Wi-Fi or any other Wi-Fi. So you should check your internet connection, and the next thing what you should do is you should refresh your page, or if you are on your application, you should turn the application off and then turn it back on. That should fix the issue. If it is still not working, what you should do is you should sign out of your YouTube TV, and if that still does not work out, you should sign out of YouTube TV by going here and here and then log back in, and that should hopefully fix the error. One more thing that you should do is to check for update. If you are on your device, you should check for any application updates on your Google Play Store or App Store, and after that the playback error should be resolved. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.